Visiting Tower Bridge? Before you go, here's everything you need to know about one of London's most iconic landmarks, from ticket tips to photo spots. Tower Bridge opened in 1894 and it's not the same as London Bridge. Trust me, tourists mix this up all the time. Taking a quick break. There's a lot of stairs. It's a drawbridge that still lifts for passing ships, and yes, it's just as epic in person. You can walk across Tower Bridge for free, but if you want to access the Tower Bridge experience, including the sky-high glass floor and the engine rooms, tickets cost around $17 for adults and can be booked online to skip the line, and you can get them right here by scanning this QR code. So we made it up to the walkway, and it's like super trippy. They have like a glass floor on the bottom so you can see like the bridge and the water as you like walk on top of it, and it's not for everyone, but it's pretty cool. Go early morning or around golden hour for the best views without the crowds, and for iconic pictures, shoot from the South Bank near City Hall or from the Tower of London side for the classic wide shot. If you're scared of heights, yes, the glass floor is a little terrifying, but it's sturdy and you'll get the best views of boats passing beneath. The exhibit is also wheelchair accessible, and there's a cute gift shop inside. Going down and seeing the engine rooms is definitely worth it, so definitely don't skip that, and check the lift schedule online if that's something you're interested in seeing. Watching the bridge open up for a ship is really cool. So whether you're crossing it or climbing it, Tower Bridge is a must-do in London, and if you need more ideas for things to do while you're here, watch this video next.